Here is how to add transitions to your Instagram Reels. So let's see that. Go to the Reels. Here, Reel, you can go for camera or camera roll. So let me take this as a video. See, now, and I have recorded two of it. And now I need to edit the transitions. So if I want the transitions, here you can find a straight line in between the audio. So this is the symbol in the white space. So if you tap on that, here you can choose this transition like this, and you can click on done. Apply to, you can apply to all, otherwise you can click on done. If you click on done, only it will be applied to one thing. And again, if you click on this, here you can choose this transition again. So click on done. Again, here you can have another transition. And if you go for this and see, yeah, click on that. This is how you can add transitions to your Instagram Reels and you can post there. Thank you.